She said she needed a break, a little time to think. But then she went to Cleveland with some guy named Leland that she met at the bank. There's nothing wrong with Ohio, except the snow and the rain. I really like Drew Carey, and I'd love to see the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. So when you're done doing whatever, and when you're through screwing whoever, you know Denton County will be right here waiting for you. Come back to Texas. It's just not the same since you went away before you lose your accent. And forget all about the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and I've got every slow dance saved. Besides, the Mexican food sucks north of here anyway. I think I made a mistake. It's not that easy to take. She went to make a deposit, then she cleaned out her closet. Guess I'll sit here and wait for her to come back home. It shouldn't take very long, so I bet she misses the sunrise and misses the fruit flies, but I could be wrong. So when you're done doing whatever, and when you're through screwing whoever, you know Denton County will be right here waiting for you. Come back to Texas. It's just not the same since you went away. I bet you missed your exit and drove right on through the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and I've got every slow dance saved. Besides, the Mexican food sucks northern here anyway. Troy Aikman wants you back. Willie Nelson wants you back. NASA wants you back. And the Bush twins want you back. Pantera wants you back. And Bluebell wants you back. I got a premonition, I'm taking a petition, and the whole state's gonna sign. Since you went stay, there's a seat. Come back to Texas. It's just not the same since you went away. I bet you lose your accent and forget all about the Lone Star State. There's a seat for you at the rodeo, and I've got every slow dance saved. Besides, the Mexican food sucks northern here anyway. Besides, the Mexican food sucks northern here anyway. Besides, the Mexican food sucks northern here anyway.